Roofing news for April 24th, 2019. Hi, my name is David Clausen, and in each day I go through hundreds of videos and articles so that you learn everything new in the roofing industry in less than 5 minutes. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. All right, GAF Roofing has just released a new video. Upgrade your starter strips. Good little info there. And the Nail Gun Depot just released a video testing the Jacko Nail Pro. And I'll link to the website. Here is the nail gun that they're using and to the website as well. And I forgot to mention below the video, I always put the links to the article so you can watch the full video and article. And New Tech Machinery has a portable roof panel machine. They kind of give a little demo of it. And here is their website, which is out of Pennsylvania. And ironically enough, there was a video from China, the UFA machine. Although it looks like the metal roofs tend to look different than they are in the US, but I thought I would link to it anyways. You never know, if you get into metal roofs, that might be an option for you. And Becca Switzer, who has that great channel, Roof Sales Mastery, with over 7,000 subscribers, talks a lot about supplementing too much and why it's not bad if you do it right. And I've linked to her sales page. And Chad Michael has a cool course, IES training course. And here he talks about some great tips with roofing sales presentation and using Xactimate. The latest hail maps in San Angelo, Texas, Stephenville, Texas, and Abilene, Texas. And if you ever want to get into green roofs or a living roof, engineering.com has come out with a cool article. You can take a look at that. And if you need a good laugh, we always love the best damn roofer. So I will link to that video down below. And before you go, make sure to watch my video, Why Every Roofer Needs the Roofing Webmasters. The link is right below this video, plus I'll link to it on the video. Check it out. It'll be the best 10 minutes for your roofing business. And take a look at it and call me or text me at my number here. So that is the roofing news for April 24th, 2019. And like I said, make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will do this each day. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.